In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add payment methods on your Wix website step by step, so you can start accepting payments from your customers without any confusion. Whether you're building an online store, selling services, or offering digital products, setting up payment methods correctly is a must. I'll walk you through the exact settings inside your Wix dashboard, explain what each option does, and show you how to connect the payment provider you want. If you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more easy Wix and website tutorials. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open your browser and go to Wix.com. Log in using the Wix account connected to the website where you want to accept payments. Once you're logged in, you'll be taken to your Wix dashboard. This is where you manage everything related to your site, including design, content, and important settings like payments. From the dashboard, look at the left-hand menu and click on Settings. This section controls how your website functions behind the scenes. Inside the Settings area, you'll see multiple options related to business info, domains, and payments. Next, find and click on the option that says Accept Payments. This is where Wix lets you manage all payment-related features for your website. When you open this section, you'll see a list of available payment methods, such as credit and debit cards, PayPal, Wix payments, and other regional providers depending on your country. Now, choose the payment method you want to add. Next to each option, you'll see a Connect button. Click on Connect for the payment provider you want to use. Wix will then guide you through the setup process. This usually includes logging into your payment account, confirming your business details, and agreeing to the provider's terms. For example, if you choose PayPal, Wix will redirect you to PayPal's login page where you'll sign in and approve the connection. If you choose Wix payments or card payments, you'll be asked to enter details like your business information and bank account so you can receive payouts. If you change your mind during the setup or want to stop the process, you can simply click Cancel at any time. This won't affect your website, and you can always come back later to finish connecting the payment method. Once a payment method is successfully connected, it will automatically become available on your site's checkout page. Customers will now be able to select that payment option when purchasing your products or services. You can connect multiple payment methods if you want to give your customers more flexibility. As a final tip, always double-check that your payment methods are active by running a test order if possible. This helps ensure everything works smoothly before you start promoting your website. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to add payment methods on your Wix website. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more Wix tutorials, website tips, and step-by-step guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.